understanding a positive and negative space on the basis of design and themes. It is important to maintain a good balance between the positive and the negative forms in any given composition. Only then it serves as a good designed surface and is aesthetically pleasant to look at. The space between motifs is decided according to the themes and the inspiration we have, and also on the look that we wish to give our end products. As a general rule, if we give equal importance to both the positive and negative designs, a very balanced composition can be created. But this really depends upon the lines and curves of the positive form. Also, many visual corrections would also be required. The concept of giving equal space to the form and the counter form does not always work. A theme like royal splendor or a theme inspired by the palaces and rich environment requires opulence and rich work. Therefore, the design should also be in harmony with the feeling that has to be evoked. Similarly, the designs might require traditional form booties placed closely so as to cover the entire design surface and not just place them sparsely with equal space devoted to the positive and the negative. This royal splendor theme can also be translated as just one singular motive, so rich and detailed in itself that just that very motive in the center of the end product, for example a cushion cover, is sufficient to bring out the feelings of rich and exuberance. The same philosophy is applied to our textiles also. For example, Gujarati embroideries involve every inch of space to be filled with embroidery stitches. The reason can be to cover up all the odd and uninteresting fabric which are too plain to use otherwise, so that it can be recycled. Kashmiri shawls in Jamawar also have rich intricate designs, and the entire surface is woven in colored threads, creating different motifs closely placed and interwoven. Another textile that is fully covered is the pulkari and the bags from Punjab. These are made colorful and full of motifs with designs all over the fabric surface to give sheen, rich, potent and colorful look for the new bride. Therefore, we can say that designs are not just technically correct but are created with a social, cultural and emotional background. The Mughal textile art also one can see motifs that are placed equidistant with equal space distribution between positive and negative, and so on the other hand motifs placed closely together that speak of its richness and grandeur.